it helps when I wanted to make a video if I actually push the record button, doesn't it? I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I wanted to take my grape nuts flakes and make some power bites, nut butter power bites. When I was putting my ingredients together, however, I noticed I don't really have the amount of each thing that I really need. So I'm not going to make the full recipe. I'm going to cut the recipe down. It says to put a half a cup of each thing in a bowl, but I don't think I have a half a cup of peanut butter is what I'm short on. So I'm just gonna see, I don't have much in there. Gonna scoop out what I've got and let it go at that. Oh, and you're not seeing what I'm doing. I just realized. Look here. And there we go. I probably have enough here to make, you know, instead of a half a cup, a quarter of a cup. I might be approaching half a cup, but this kind of peanut butter is kind of not real solid. It's more oily. This is a little hard to get all the peanut butter out of this jar. I'm not going to even try to get all of it. Okay, and then it asks for, well, it says a half a cup of grape nuts, flakes, cereal, half a cup of shredded coconut. I have some coconut here that's old. I'm going to smell it to even see if I want to use it. No, I don't. I'm going to leave out the coconut. I've got this, but it's like old. And it should smell like coconut, but it doesn't, so that's going to go in the garbage. So then it also calls for, and I forgot to get a spoon out. 2 tablespoons of honey. And here's my honey. And I mix this all up. I think I could do with a little more cereal here. Well, oh yeah, that's a better. I suspect that this would work with any kind of cereal, but I'm going to take my ice cream scoop here and scoop out onto my parchment paper. Let's see if I can get you so you can see what I'm doing. Some of those are a little bigger than I needed them. Well, I can tell you one thing, it tastes good. Of these. Okay, then it says that you can absolutely put a topping on them. It says to put into small balls. Mine kind of have more. Mine aren't small balls. They're bigger balls. So let's see if I need to put something on my hands so they don't get all sticky. We'll try water. Roll this into a ball. And then it says you can dip them in cocoa powder or shredded coconut. Obviously, I have no shredded coconut. I do have some cocoa powder type stuff. I didn't want to use just regular cocoa powder because it's bitter without sugar. So I've got some it's called Vitamin Proteins Collagen Peptides. So I'm going to put some in a container to move that out of the way. Oh, okay. All right. And then we'll oh yeah, that should okay, I'm going to put more water on my hands. That worked for a little bit until the water started being used up. Oh yeah, that helps. Kind of. Okay. You know, another thing that I think would work is if you dipped them in a chocolate coating, you know, a chocolate that hardens around them. I think that would be good. Looks like I have 10 of these all together. That made a little more than I thought it was going to. And there. Now I get to lick my fingers off. Yum. Oh, good. Then it says to put them in the refrigerator to harden up. So I'm going to put them on a plate here. I'll kind of have to rearrange. Just a second. We'll do this. Yeah, this is working. And I don't know if these will get real hard. Because that peanut butter is so soft. It says you can even freeze them. Well, let's see if I can make room for one more here. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I think I'll actually stick them in the freezer. Well, I know those will be good, even if they don't get real firm. They are in the freezer. And they were super easy to make, super easy. And like I said, they probably would work with any kind of cereal. And you could add the coconut like the instructions say. And you could actually add just about anything you want. Those are, your creative mind sets the limits. So, and I know they're good because I licked off my fingers. It was good. Yeah, our honey that we use is a really, really dark color. And we got it in a gallon, oh, I don't know, several years ago. And as you know, honey does not expire. And so we've been using the honey out of the big gallon jug. And it's a really dark honey and it's really good. And I know I will have to remind I don't know if hubby's got more peanut butter out in the garage where he keeps food supplies, you know, that our storage, I guess is what I'm trying to say. I'll have to ask him because he can buy some peanut butter if we're out. But that's it for today. A yummy little treat that you can make. Just some peanut butter, some honey, and some cereal. And I'll see you in my next video. And I know my grandson, I said this one other time, my grandson likes these little cooking videos. So Micah, this one's for you. You can make some of these for you and your mom with whatever kind of cereal you guys have. Well, I'll see y'all on my next video. May God's love and blessings surround you. Bye.